To change background of Squarespace website, click on paintbrush icon at the top right corner. Click colors and come to the list of 10 color themes. Inside preview, you can see that dark one is the primary color theme of this Barbosa template. You must watch our other video for how to determine primary color theme in Squarespace. Click pencil icon against primary color theme. In Edit Theme window, click color circle against section background. In palette of 5 colors, current color is already encircled. You can move opacity slider to choose required shade of the color. You can also select and apply any of 5 colors in the palette. For advanced options, click on Custom to open Color Picker. Adjust Color in bottom slider to choose desired base color. Then move Field Circle to choose your favorite background color. You can notice that website color in preview automatically changes as you move the circle. If it is difficult for you to select a color from Color Picker, you can use any other website on the internet to choose a favorite color. Just copy the numerical value from that website and paste it in the given place in Color Picker of your Squarespace website. For example, I copy the color code of this blue color. After pasting the color value, your favorite color will instantly apply on the background of your website. You can see that background color of our website has become blue. If you are happy with the background color, then save the changes. Click on Done button in top left corner and select Save. Please remember that as we made changes in primary color theme, it is applied on all pages of our website. To confirm the change, we can open different pages of our website. You can see that our new blue color is applied as background on all pages such as blog page, about page, and contact page. If we check it on photos page, you can see that background of the page is blue except one section. It is because this section uses any of 9 general color themes. Sometimes it looks fine to create a prominent contrast on a page. However, if I wish, I can also change its background color to blue. Just hover over section and click pencil icon to open section editor. Under colors, I will select dark one theme to apply matching blue color of background. I can also select any other color theme. For example, if I select lightest one theme, the background color will become white. To apply changes, I will select Save. Watch our next video for text color customization through Theme Editor. Hey guys, I'm Irfan Hayat, founder of Dozro. If you like this video, consider liking it and following our social media pages. You may also look into description below for some useful links. You will learn here everything about e-business. That's it for me. Thank you so much for your time.